Flexbox is one of the most useful layout tools in CSS. It makes aligning items super easy with just a few lines of code. But there's one hidden problem that frustrates a lot of developers. Here's a simple navbar, an unordered list with display flex, align item center, gap, 1 rem. Everything looks perfect. But now imagine we want to add some special controls, like buttons for search or dark mode. Naturally, we wrap them in a div.controls so we can style them separately. And the moment we do that, boom, the layout breaks. Why does this happen? Flexbox only applies to direct children of the container. In our case, the flex container is the UL. It sees only 3 children, the first LI, the second LI, and the entire div.controls. So how do we normally fix it? The classic solution is to make the wrapper its own flex container. Inside .controls, we redeclare display flex, align items center, gap. And yes, this works. The buttons line up again. But now we're duplicating code. If you later change the gap on the navbar, you also have to update the gap inside controls. Not very clean. There's a much better solution. Display contents. This property removes the wrapper from the layout flow. The wrapper still exists in the DOM, but visually it's as if it's not there. The children of the wrapper are treated as if they were direct children of the parent container. And suddenly, our gap and alignment work perfectly again. But wait, there are a couple of caveats you need to know before you start using this everywhere. First, browser support is still not perfect. Most modern browsers support it, but check if you need to support older ones. More importantly, once you use display contents, you can't style the wrapper anymore. Margins, paddings, backgrounds, all of those stop working because the wrapper's box is gone. So here's the rule of thumb. Use display contents only when the wrapper is there for structure, not for styling. It's perfect for semantic HTML, for grouping elements for accessibility with area attributes, or even for SEO. But if you rely on styling the wrapper itself, stick to a regular Flix container. With this trick, you can keep your CSS clean, avoid duplication, and still get the power of Flexbox.